Well, hello friends. Life doesn't look too bad today. I'm not working today and the sun is kind of shining in this sad November day here in Berlin, and I don't have anything planned other than going grocery shopping later today. I think it's time to tackle something that I have been postponing. Well, not exactly postponing. When you ignore things completely, that you don't postpone them, you just ignore them. Let's be real. Something that I've been ignoring for a really long time, which is, yep, cleaning my fridge. So recently I've watched a video of a creator that I really like, which is Cloudy Hills on YouTube. And I saw a video of her cleaning and organizing her fridge, and that kind of inspired me to tackle this thing once and for all. Because when you don't remember exactly when was the last time that you did it, it's probably been too long. So I thought I could film the whole process today of me doing this. I hope this video doesn't turn into a gigantic mess. And I think I need a coffee before I get started. So yeah, coffee first. Now that I'm properly caffeinated, I'm gonna start immediately before I lose motivation. And here I am again with a disgusting fridge. That's not what we want today. Something that I wanna mention before I get started is that I'm trying to tackle this project of cleaning and organizing my fridge in the most low budget, eco-friendly solution that I can come up with. As much as I love the look of those beautiful Instagram fridges with all of these clear plastic organizing containers and everything looks so fancy and tidy, honestly, people, those freaking containers are really expensive. Not to mention that I literally have to go into a store and pay so much money for clear plastic. We don't want that. So as much as I look tidiness and organization, I think we can achieve that in a much more eco-friendly and budget-friendly way. So, yeah, let's start. This is the before. So, not super full, but definitely this fridge can use some cleaning. Look at that. That is some disgusting mess in here. This is long overdue. In between things, I am obviously keeping the door closed to save energy, and also this is a vintage guy. Doesn't have a name yet, just sends me kind of like Albert vibes. So we're gonna call him Albert. If you have a better name, then suggest. But this was bought secondhand years ago, and it lived with me in 3 different apartments. To save energy and to, be gentle on Albert, we're going to close the door in between things. Also, on a side note, we're not tackling the freezer today. We're gonna focus on just the fridge portion of Albert. Now that I've separated the things that need to go in the fridge from the things that don't, I've put away and stored away the things that don't have to go in the fridge, it's time to organize the things that need to go back into the fridge. And obviously I'm going to use the compartments that I already have available, but for further organization, a method that I've been starting to use a few months ago and that I've been really liking is this one. These are free organization bins, and I know they don't look fancy, people, but these are free and they provide you that organization that you need. These are the containers that fruit and vegetables that sometimes you buy in supermarkets come packaged in. I've been keeping a few of those and I've been washing them and reusing them for fridge organization. And I seriously love this method because it's easier to find things. I can stack multiple things. And again, these provide the exact same functional effect of those clear fancy plastic bins that you see in Instagram posts and fancy Pinterest boards. But these are literally for free, not to mention super eco-friendly because you're basically reusing a disposable item. My kitchen is really small, so it's really hard for me to show you stuff when I'm filming here. But I've just finished organizing the fridge, and this is the final result. I I don't really have like a set organizational system. I just pretty much go and decide how to organize things depending on how many things I buy and which ones. Usually the top is for the things that are about to expire and that need to be consumed first. So in this way I see them, and then I pretty much organize the rest using the bins. So I can see everything here. I kind of like grouped similar items. These are all vegan substitutes for cheese, for feta, and for sausages. Here I got some fish, some like pasta, and here are my most voluminous fruit and veg at the bottom. I think it's time to give my little friend Albert here some well-deserved rest. I am so happy I did this, and I kind of like feel like a new person. You clean a fridge and all of a sudden you feel like a responsible adult who has it together and knows what they're doing. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and this video has given you the motivation to tackle something that you haven't done in a while. Maybe you haven't cleaned your fridge as well in a while, just like me. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.